My name is Celeste Villarreal, and I work for Gary Job Corps in San Marcos, Texas, and I'm a welding instructor. I got into welding over 35 years ago in high school, and I found out that there had never been any women or girls that had ever taken the class. The guys told me that no, you can't do it. The welding instructor or the teacher actually tried to talk me out of it. I was like, no, I'm gonna do what I want to do. I took the course. The guys gave me a hard time. In fact, they bet me that you're not even gonna last a week in there, and I showed them. Being in a male-dominated field, I have developed a thick skin. I survived in this industry. I know you are survivors. I encourage you to return to center. You have my full support, the center's full support, and all of our staff. And don't let anyone tell you you can't. Complete this program and get on with your career.